Troll is my friend. Please.
In my 4.5 years in this house, if records reflect correctly, I was elected as one of the youngest female members by any political party. When I came to this house, what excited me most was the fact that I would meet political stalwarts, many who will not see ideologically eye to eye. And just to reaffirm the same, the minute I started speaking, Sitaram Yechuri ji said, "Oh, Tyagi ji,
He was admiring you.
Sir, as somebody who's been called anti-national today, I'm not yielding,
He was admiring you.
I'm not yielding, sir. I am not yielding, sir.
But she is not yielding. She is not yielding.
As somebody who seeks to give an answer,
She is
has
not
patiently heard every voice today.
She is not yielding. Sit down.
As somebody who has heard every voice today, I also beg the kind permission of K.C. Tyagi ji to use my finger and point and lift and do as I please freely. Mr. Yechuri, and I beg of everybody's indulgence because I heard everybody exhaustively. Mr. Yechury's quoted Macbeth. Let me declare, there are many who called me an unpad mantri. I agree, I don't have an illustrious academic career like I did not point to you, sir. Let me speak. Let me speak. Let me speak. And I do not claim that I am as erudite a speaker as Mr. Yechury. But since people blame me for having a flair for drama, let me quote from Macbeth and say, "Fair is foul, foul is fair." That is how Macbeth began, indicating that nothing is as it seems. My senior colleague, ideologically on a different plateau, speaks about, and rightly so, aggrieved, that someone would seek to claim that they are some kind of witches. And in Macbeth, Banquo's reaction with regards to one of the happenings in the entire plot said, "What? Can the devil speak?" I say today, sir, that much has been quoted from many papers. I have at my disposal a few which I would put in front of this august house through you. I have been cautioned, and rightly so, that Smriti, don't get agitated. Do it as calmly as possible. And I thank my seniors across party lines who advise me so, for they care for my... Why do I say and begin with Macbeth's line, "Fair is foul, foul is fair"? For the young who watch us today know that though we duel in this house politically, they also challenge not only establishment but also established political thoughts in this country. They challenge not only those in government but also those in opposition as they deem fit, as is their right. A child passes away in Hyderabad. I publicly pay homage to him. I publicly give condolences, rightly so, to his family. What I never publicly disclose is that I also speak to his mother. I quote from that child's last notes. He says, "The value of man was reduced to his immediate identity and nearest possibility to a vote." And sir, dejectedly so, we identified him as a scholar, yes, but also there are many can be accused of identifying him as a vote bank. This is the bitter truth that confronts us today. There are some senior members in this house. I think Azad Sahab spoke and quoted from a letter that he received from that child's family. Today I, sir, have in my hand what Rohit himself said on his Facebook page about an esteemed leader in this house who spoke with much anguish about this. That leader, sir, is Mr. Yechuri. Rohit's words on the 28th of November 2015. Mr. Yechuri talking about reservations in private sector at the Constitution Day session is funny, to say in politest way. When he was delivering a talk in HCU, which is Rohit's university, he said that if his party finds eligible Dalit leaders, they would be sure taken into CPIM Politburo. When questions were raised at the absence of Dalits in it for 51 years now, while he said it, he must have pronounced the entire psyche of the party. There is still a silent search of talent in Dalits, according to him. And now, he wants reservations in the private sector. I am of this doubt that, and I'm sorry I'm quoting Rohit, sir, Yechuri sees his party as a private agency. My humble apologies, Mr. Yechuri, I'm quoting Rohit. These are not my words. And he's waiting until this amendment is made so that he would convince his party to take Dalits into leadership. Or he is just of the feeling that private sector will be damaged automatically if one's industries are compelled to take Dalits into their streams. While comrades are having orgasms hearing him speaking of reservation, the common Dalits are upset with the record of the advocate. When was the last time we have seen CPIM arguing for something and achieving it successfully at national level? This is the problem when people like Yechuri talk about reforms economically. I hope comrades would have at least a session dedicated to understand what Marx meant when he borrowed the sentence from each according to their ability to each according to their need for his famous book. It is a deliberate, immodest blunder from the left side for remaining blind to the need of Dalit leaders in Indian society. If communist parties are allegedly for the downtrodden, they say, then why do they have women wing, Dalit wing, minority wing? This is a child who speaks to us about our polity. I know that aspersions were cast, and Azad Sahab, very worriedly so, spoke even about the warden. What did Rohit say about the warden? On the 23rd of October 2015, I quote, SFI, HCU, trying to portray Chief Warden as the male culprit for their unexpected embarrassment is casteist. They should avoid trying to pitch Dalit against Dalits, period. The warden you refer to, sir, an academician who rose to the position of Chief Warden, is also a Dalit. My humble appeal today, sir, in this House is this. There are many in the Indian polity who might have begun their journey from ABVP and today possibly are in a political organization absolutely different from where they began their students' journey as a politician. It is on record there are many members of the SFI who are members of the Congress party today. But what are we as a united House telling this generation of ours, which does not only indulge in hearing our debates, our discussions, our deliberations, and suffices. It leverages technology, understands all points of view, and reaches a conclusion suitable to its own. We say to them that if you are a Dalit child belonging to an ideology not favorable to us, you can die for all we care. And to substantiate that, sir, I read today, mother of a Dalit child writing, my daughter, and I don't name the girl, is fighting for her life in a place I shall not name now, after a suicide attempt. The SFI Union Secretary was harassing my daughter for a long time. This girl happens to be an ABVP member. It is Kerala, sir. Sir, it is Kerala. It is written by It is, sir, allow me to speak. I know Mr. Yechuri wants to interject, but I'm not yielding. No, why I'm saying this today, Anandji, I totally agree with you. No, I totally agree with you. My angst is this, sir, that for hours and hours and days, I listened and listened and listened. A context which was put through that our children be protected only if they belong to one ideology and not the other. Let me come to the point of where the debate is. An issue is an FIR in a state which is not governed by the BJP. An FIR which is filed on the 4th of August, much before anybody wrote any letter. What does the FIR say? The FIR says that 40 people unlawfully assembled walked into a hostel room with fists and blows to abdomen, stomach, threatened with dire consequences that they will burn this particular student. Is an FIR. I am discussing the issue at length, Mr. Yechuri. Sir, I am not yielding. I am not yielding, sir. Let me finish. The issue at hand is this. The issue at hand is this.
Come to the...
That are we to divide our students and academicians
Reply to the...
on the basis of
To the point, I think
if that is the case, and the accusation on me is this.
see,
If the accusation
focus
is
on the points raised here.
this morning I was accused.
Yeah.
History is
The
being distorted.
point is,
I am not yielding, sir.
yeah, she is not
My
reading, but
request is
however, focus on the points
This
mentioned
morning,
here.
sir, I heard
Yeah, that is the
everybody
point.
speak from Yechuri ji speaking from Krishna
let
to
me speak, sir.
Netaji. My request is, I am speaking on the issue at hand.
Yeah,
And I am answering questions which are on hand.
yeah, that's the point. See,
The minister also is not able to know how to reply also. Others need not write.
Truth, the truth, sir.
You all
Truth is always preaching.
You can speak
You
anything on
don't
the side.
listen truth.
This is not the way. This is intolerance. Please, this is intolerance. Please sit down. Hear the truth. Hear the truth. This is intolerance, sir. Chair to protect a woman minister, a young minister. And then
Yes,
how
okay.
to keep her.
she's not doing,
You
okay.
have to say in their language. Because why don't you allow?
Okay, please. Okay, sit down. Now, Minister, please continue.
Sir,
Ask, see, try,
I'm
now, but
going
try to
many
focus on the
issues
points
which have
raised
been
here.
raised
Eh?
in this August House today. I'm going through the many issues and questions posed to me.
Now,
and
please,
rightfully
now listen,
so.
now listen.
Rightfully so, the many questions which are posed to
Tarun,
me,
Tarun, sit
I
down.
answer today. Though Mr. Mungekar doesn't want to hear what I have to say, and I
Mungekar,
agree
sit
it
down.
is his right to not
Sit
hear
down,
what
Mungekar.
I have to say.
Okay, sit down.
He speaks about policies, programs. Let me reiterate. I answer every question that was posed to me today. My grateful thanks to Azad Sahab, and I'm genuinely grateful for there are many anomalies, sir, that you corrected in your speech today. There was a burden I carried on my shoulder, for there was a momentum built as though I personally am writing letters every day to a university. My grateful thanks for you corrected that anomaly at least and acknowledged it's not I who wrote. Azad Sahab spoke about the fact that he first came to Delhi in the year 77. आप दिल्ली में 77 में आए, सर मैं दुनिया में 76 में आई. Azad Sahab spoke about Kashmir में गिरती हुई बर्फ. And he was so eloquent that while he spoke, I could imagine that snow and wonder. How many Kashmiri Pandit families saw that snow last in their homeland? Azad Sahab, I very honestly thank you for correcting 2-3 things. You named certain officers today who wrote reminders. One of those officers is rightfully seated in the officers' gallery. Ever since the debate enraged this country, I as a minister could have politically strategize and come out and say, I never wrote the letter and I would have been right. That my officer wrote the letter in my ministry. I had Hanumanta Rao ji who said, I just about acknowledged his letter. No, sir. Sir, let me finish. Sir.
Listen.
Let me finish, sir. So this is the letter that I acknowledged on the 3rd of December 2014 to you, sir. And rightfully so, he says, I did not receive any reply after that. That's because we kept on writing and saying, as we did. Now, sir, let me finish. I heard everything.
Ministers
My
never,
request,
minister
sir, my
write
request.
only to the chief minister,
Sir,
and at the most minister. Minister does not write to the officers.
Sir,
So it
please.
is the ministry who writes.
MP.
sir,
MP को लिखा है, अफसर को नहीं
I'm
लिखा है।
quoting a letter
MP.
that I have written to an honorable MP, acknowledging that I have received this communication. Now, Azad Sahab has said कि कैसे एस्केलेट हुआ मामला अंडर सेक्रेटरी से लेकर डेप्यूटी सेक्रेटरी से लेकर जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी तक। मैं कहना चाहती हूं कि हनुमंत के पत्र के लिए भी अंडर सेक्रेटरी, डेप्यूटी सेक्रेटरी और जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी ने पत्र लिखा, वही जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी जो आज ऑफिसर्स गैलरी में बैठा है। मैं
क्या मतलब?
No, let her reply.
मैं चाहती
No, Hanumanta Rao, no, please. Let her complete.
nobody
Let
wants
her
to
finish
hear
the
my-
reply.
unless nobody wants to
Hanumanta
hear
Rao,
what I
sit
have
down.
to say.
Hanumanta Rao, sit down.
मैं हनुमंत राव जी, आप चाहते हैं तो एक एक नाम पढ़ सकती हूँ, लेकिन मैं ऑफिसरों को यहाँ पे नुमाइश के नाते पॉलिटिकली यूज नहीं करती। एक सेकेंड, मेरा एक आग्रह है सर, मुझसे कहा गया नारायण स्वामी जी का लेटर
No, Hanumanta
पढ़ो।
Rao, let her finish.
What is the letter officers have written?
No,
The
please.
title, the
Hanumanta,
title,
no, suniye.
माइनॉरिटी का
Let her reply.
आप
Let her
टारगेट
reply.
करेंगे माइनॉरिटी ऑफिसर को,
You can.
आप टारगेट करेंगे
Don't interrupt.
ऑफिसर को टारगेट करेंगे।
Don't do it. No, let her reply.
ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है।
मैं बोली हूँ,
down.
ये तरीका ठीक नहीं है।
No, sit down.
अगर उन्होंने पूरी बात कही है तो उन्हें सुनना पड़ेगा। ये तरीका नहीं है कि पूरी बात को ऑलरेडी लीडर सीताराम येचुरी जी, हमारी उन सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि जब उन्होंने बात कही तो किसी ने इधर
No, please.
उसके बाद ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो उनको डिस्टर्ब किया जा रहा है। आपको सुनना नहीं है, आप सुनने की हिम्मत नहीं है तो आप
No,
बोलो
please.
not
I am requesting the honorable members, please. No, honorable members, please.
What is the letter that has
No,
been
please.
written?
No, sit down. And let me complete. I will allow you. Sit down. No, sit down.
You
Let me.
come to me, sir.
No, yes.
What is that?
No, listen.
What is that?
No,
Why?
no, please.
I am now to learn how to point my
No.
own finger.
No, please. Yes,
From a
you
gentleman
listen.
who will teach me
First
as
you
a
listen.
woman
First
how
you
a man
listen.
to behave.
First you listen. Now listen, please.
I am not
Now,
doing
please.
this, sir.
You listen to me
My
first.
request is
Sit down. Sit down.
man
All
who
of you
points
sit
the
down.
finger at the
1
chair.
minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
a man who points the finger
1
at
minute.
me
Wait 1 minute.
tells me
Please
how
sit
I
down,
am
sit
to
down.
bodily behave as a woman in this house.
Sit down, Tarun. Sit down.
I am saying this, sir.
I will allow you sit down. I told you I will
This is
allow
a
you sit
deliberate
down.
attempt.
Now listen. Listen, please.
औरतें
Now,
कैसी
please.
behave करें, अब ये decide करेंगे।
Minister, please. No, sit down. I see. No, please. No, my suggestion is. No, see. This is their strategy. One thing. No, please. See, please listen. See. No, please. What are you doing? No, sit down. What are you doing? अरे इनको बिठाओ। नकवी जी इनको बिठाओ। Now please listen. Please listen, please. Now, number one, honorable minister is replying. If he is taking, no, please. If he is taking any name in this house, I tell you, after her reply, I can those people I can allow to give their explanation. See, if she is making any, now let me see, if she is taking any name of this house, I will allow that member for personal speech. Number one. Therefore, listen to her. Number two, minister should not refer to any name who is not in this house, who cannot come and defend. Now, please, who cannot come and defend. No, I am only saying that. You are not taken. Bye.
Sir, I am not even naming the
Yeah, what is the point of order?
Okay,
fine. Fine. Fine, agreed. What is the point of order?
So my request is this.
No, I allowed a point of
What
order.
is the joint secretary that you put?
No, I allowed a, what is the point of order? Now you address to me. What is the point of order?
There has been a practice which has been conveyed to us by Secretary General himself that no person sitting in galleries shall not be mentioned by any member, neither they will be mentioned,
not
nor
mentioned.
they will be addressed or referred.
No.
And Honorable Minister,
No, that is,
Honorable Minister, sir, I got this. I can.
No.
You can clarify.
No, I understood.
This I have got.
She only said secretary is sitting there, no harm in that. That's okay. She is not referring.
She
it
cannot
by
refer
pen.
person sitting in gallery.
No, she has not referred like that. It is not like that. No, don't take it that way. She only said officials are sitting there. That is natural.
She is saying.
Did
that
she mention
one
the
officer
name?
is sitting very
She
much
didn't
in
then
the
mention
gallery.
the name.
Right now. She is saying
अगर
this.
वो ना ऑफिसर
I demand
गैलरी के
this.
She did not mention the name.
मेंशन किया तो उसे
Okay.
कर दीजिए
Anyhow, you raise it, sit down. Okay, now you continue. Minister, may please continue.
No, my request
Minister,
is,
please continue.
I'm continuing, sir. My request is this. My request is this, sir. In the questions and the speeches of honorable members, officers were mentioned by name. I do not mention them by name here. I am not mentioning them in particular, pointing out. It is a member who's gesticulating at me and saying, "Khada karo usko abhi." Sir, that is the
You address.
issue.
Yeah, you please proceed. You
what
please
is
proceed.
the officer writing?
You address the
What
chair.
is the officer writing?
Honorable Minister may address the chair.
The officer,
Just
sir,
don't look
is
there,
writing
address the
this.
chair and proceed.
Officer is writing this. Please refer to Hanumanta Raoji's letter regarding corruption and irregularities in University of Hyderabad. Facts, comments called for this office, dated letter, so and so and so. He names, he's addressing it to the Vice Chancellor and talks about 5 reminders which have gone and no response has been received. I would appreciate if you could look into this personally. Get the facts at the earlier.
No, you are not allowed.
At the earliest.
No, sit down. I told you I can allow you. Sit down.
To enable the ministry to
I will
submit
allow
a
you in
reply.
the to explain.
Is it a deliberate attempt so that I don't speak in one flow like yesterday?
Please.
To enable the ministry to submit a reply to the Honorable MP. This is the template that every officer sends reminders on. And yesterday, in another debate, I quoted Narayan Samiji's letter. Azad Sahab very rightly said कि क्या वही एक चीज है जिस पे आप आधारित कर रही हैं. मुझे तो छोड़िए आजाद साहब. मैनुअल ऑफ ऑफिस प्रोसीजर जो ऑफिसर्स पर लागू होता है 1950 के दशक से जो चल रहा है, उसमें ऑफिसर को कहा गया है कि वो कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्स का कैसे जवाब दे. और ये भी उल्लेखित है कि 15 दिन में एक्नॉलेज करो और 15 दिन बाद उसका जवाब भी भेजो. इट्स इनकम्बेंट अपॉन द ऑफिसर. So he is fulfilling his responsibility, rightly so, and I do not grudge him that. There is a charge on me, and Azad Sahab again said that there is an attempt, and he quoted 2 references. One, Vishwabharati, Vice Chancellor removal. The second, he speaks about Delhi University FIUP rollback. I have in this August House today, sir, and I shall not name Mr. Yechuri because he spoke to me on another.
But I won't name Mr. Yechuri.
With regards to the case that he has written to me for, with regards to the case that he wrote to me about, but I have Pradeep ji from the Congress party, Ritobrato from the left, who very rightly so said this is a Vice Chancellor who has been appointed not taking into cognizance that he was conclusively identified for sexual misconduct, is indulging in malpractices in a university established by Rabindranath Tagore. Kindly ensure there is due process followed and this Vice-Chancellor removed for misconduct. Ex-judge was appointed. The law took its own course. The Honorable President of India removed the Vice-Chancellor. Hence, for you to, sir, give an indication that I, as a Sanghi with big horns on my head, removed a Vice-Chancellor is a bit of an anomaly and an incorrect statement. I humbly submit due process of law was followed. It is not something that I did happily. For a university which is established by Ravi Thakur, nobody would want such a Vice-Chancellor, firstly, to be appointed after proven charges of sexual misconduct, an appointment done by my predecessor, and later having the infamy of sacking the first ever Vice-Chancellor in the history of this country. You speak about the FIUP rollback, sir. The 4-year program which took place in Delhi University, and I'm compelled to answer these questions because the questions are on record, had 40 to 41 courses, sir. In the first year, 50,000 students enrolled in it. They did not have the sanction of the President of India, who is the visitor of the university. I was faced with a challenge that in a course where in the first year itself there are 50,000 students enrolled, and the degrees that they will get after 4 years would be absolutely legally untenable, I had a choice to step in and save those children, irrespective of the ire that I would face by certain quarters, so that after 4 years, these kids, and along with them, every year the 50,000 that get enrolled, 2 lakh children are not there on the streets of the capital, after 4 years saying, "Hamari degree ka koi mol nahi." So that is my crime, sir. You spoke about political patronage, sir, that suddenly the ABVP gets. I would humbly submit, sir, I have evidence to political patronage which I have never leveraged before politically in any discourse. The Vice-Chancellor of Haryana Central University, appointed on the 28th of February 2009, sir, was the DUSU and NSUI President, Mulchand Sharma ji. In the National Book Trust, my predecessor nominated onto the board NSUI President ex officio. I also say, sir, Punia Sahab today spoke about the need to fight for the rights of the deprived. I would like to say that in March 2014, sir, the SC/ST Teachers Forum of Delhi University filed a case in the High Court stating, I'm answering everybody's charges, sir, that is my democratic right. It might not be a right that somebody might want to support right now, given the facts that are coming to the fore. And why did these teachers, and Mr. D. Raja is nodding his head because he knows of the case, teachers approached the High Court because the Delhi University, sir, refused to apply the reservation policy of India when your government, sir, of the Congress party was at the center. We tried to provide as much support as possible to ensure that a reservation policy as sanctified by the government of India and by this very House and Parliament is applicable. There are many who have said, and here I will again quote Mr. Yechuri, rightly so, that history is being distorted and all Sanghis are being put in ICHR. I have the distinct privilege, sir, of appointing to the Indian Council of Historical Research a lady by the name of Purbi Roy. Purbi Roy is a renowned scholar on Netaji and INA history and India-Russia relations. What would possibly fascinate my left supporter friends is this, that she is the wife of a Rajya Sabha member of a communist party. Hence, if there was an intention to completely saffronize education, why would I personally pick a scholar who is ideologically, politically not aligned to me or my organization. Insofar as the JNU case goes, Tyagi ji, very enraged, said, "Aaj tak police JNU ke campus mein nahi ghusi." Galat hai wo bhi. So the leader of the house quoted an answer in 1983, but fresher still should be an incident in 2009 where the police did enter the campus, lathi charged students. And I don't know where Tyagi ji was then, but no questions were raised. Now there's a question that Mr. Sharma raises, seated on his chair, that this was with the permission
Honorable Minister,
of the...
how much more time you need? No, it is 30. Eh? I'm only asking. Only asking.
Let us decide whether we want the answer or not. Simple. If that is the wish.
That is my question.
Sir,
it's only my question.
No, chair.
Because
chair also should.
Because there is a bill.
Everybody, whoever has given names, they are allowed to make their points. If they don't want answer, they could say.
Venkaiah ji, all what I asked, because there is a bill to be taken up today. So I want to know, that's all. I never stopped here.
Only time is applicable to the minister, not to others.
No, I didn't control. I said how much time more you need. I only asked how much more time you need. Don't interpret it as a controlling. It is only a question.
I never used the word controlling. Who is controlling the house? Everybody knows.
I don't know who is controlling.
I'm very sorry, sir. I'm very sorry. The way the treatment booted to a minister, young minister, a woman minister, according to their language. Is it the way?
All that I have objections to also, even that we are listening to her. So what is the treatment you are talking about, sir?
Treatment is obstruction.
Very excellent, lovely treatment we are giving.
Very good.
Okay.
How nice to be patronized by a stalwart gentleman.
Not patronized, remember. So you are right.
So let me come to the crux of the matter. Javed Bhai has been a student leader in his heydays, passionately spoke about his experiences and conjoined it with those of a boy called Kanhaiya Kumar. I am compelled, sir, to read a few things today to set the record straight. For there is an accusation that wrongfully Mahmood ki topi Ahmed par hai. So let me read, sir. पता नहीं किसकी टोपी किसके सर है आजाद साहब, मैं बिना टोपी के। अच्छा, ऐसा है कि साहब ये 10 फरवरी 2016 का जेएनयू के रजिस्ट्रार का प्रमाणित स्टैम्प्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ। इस स्टैम्प्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में, एंड आई हैव 3 ऑफ दोज वेरीड डॉक्यूमेंट्स हियर, जिसमें आज बहुत कुछ पढ़ा गया। 10 तारीख का जो डॉक्यूमेंट है, क्योंकि जावेद भाई ने एक डॉक्यूमेंट निकाला, इस पे तो ठप्पा है जेएनयू का, प्रशासन का। इसमें कन्हैया का भी नाम है, शहला रशीद का भी नाम है, रामा नागा का भी नाम है। Apart from everything else they have said, thereby reiterating the authority that the Indian state has shown about Afzal Guru. It says that the execution of Afzal Guru was a nervous attempt by the Congress government. This is a signed document with the names of those students that I am compelled to today. Nervous attempt of the Congress government. And it also speaks, amongst other things, about a public meeting that they have the right to hold, called Mahishasur Martyrdom Day. What is Mahishasur Martyrdom Day? Today, अरे आपने चलছেন শুনবেন না সীতারাম জি, আপনি আর আমি তো বাংলায় কথা বলি।
Teachers call is not anti-Indian, madam.
No, sir. No, I am not charging you. How would I presume to know whether it's nature's call or Mayer call? But let me now say.
How can I defy you except for nature's call?
What a lovely conversation to have with the ladies, sir. Bravo. Now, while I'm answering question with regards to the fact that these students named in this document stamped by the university, namely Kanhaiya Kumar, Shaila Rashid, Ramanaga, speak about the nervous attempt by the Congress government, not us, but nonetheless the government of India, with regards to the execution of Afzal Guru. It also speaks about an interesting phenomenon according to these students called Mahishasur Martyrdom Day. What is Mahishasur Martyrdom Day? Apni to boshe achen. Mahishasur Martyrdom Day, and I read this. I have begged the forgiveness of my God, but I am reading this. For those who say we stifle free speech, this is the free speech posted on the 4th of October 2014. It is a condemnation of this, Mahishasur Day, by who all? SC, ST, OBC and minority students. They were brutally assaulted, according to them, by left goons. Javed Bhai spoke about everybody coming on one forum. They came on one forum. What did they come on one forum for? They said, sir, I am talking about a post which is, sir, बहुत बोलने तो दीजिए जावेद भाई, सुन तो लीजिए. जब एक फोरम पे आते हैं, बात करते हैं, तब आपको तकलीफ है. ये तो डॉक्यूमेंट्री एविडेंस है कि SC, ST हो, माइनॉरिटी बच्चा हो, दलित बच्चा हो, OBC बच्चा हो, सब एक मंच पर आए. किस लिए आए वो पढ़ने दीजिए. They said that they were threatened, beaten, clothes torn, dragged inside, beaten, glass broken. They appeal. We are not political in nature, but we are assaulted. They appeal, they say there is an attempt to defame our culture. We are thrashed, they say. And why are they thrashed? They are thrashed because they raised their voice against Mahishasur Day. Mahishasur Day is, and I describe, read out, Durga is a controversial racial festival, Durga Puja, where a fair-skinned, beautiful goddess Durga is depicted brutally killing a dark-skinned native named Mahishasur. Mahishasur, a brave, self-respecting leader, tricked into marriage by Aryans. After they failed to defeat him, they hire a sex worker called Durga, who enticed Mahishasur into marriage, killed him after 9 nights of honeymooning during sleep. Every year, thousands of Durga Puja pandals are erected, showing Durga in a bad light, sexual position. Why I say this? Let me say, I have not yielded. I am reading out from all documents I have received from the university and students, sir. And as HRD Minister, the papers I have access to, I am reading today. I will now... Sir, I am here reading from a paper signed by these students. Signed by these students, sir, who speak about Mahishasur Day. It is unpalatable to you today. आपने पूछा कि प्रूफ करिए, दस्तावेजों को प्रमाणित करिए, डेस्क पर रखिए, प्रूफ कर रही हूं मैं.
People have written about Virgin Mary, people have written about Prophet Muhammad. We have never got into reading those in this house. What is happening here?
मैंने प्रूफ किया आज.
No, please.
ये कैसे हो रहा है?
Please.
ऋषि बंकिम की बोले ছিলেন.
No, please.
This is too much.
ही दुर्गा कश्यप रो हरण
We have objections. We are
মানে
offended.
Please.
বঙ্গজননী হি দেবী দুর্গা আমরা বাড়ি
No,
থেকে
this
No,
has
please.
to be
আগে
expunged.
আমাদের বাচ্চাদেরকে বলি ভালো থাকো বাড়ি থেকে
Interested.
বেরোনোর আগে আমরা বলি
Please, this
দুর্গা
is not
দুর্গা
a
আবার
subject
দেখা
matter of
হবে।
this discussion.
আর আপনি
This is not a
দুর্গাকে
subject matter of this discussion.
বেশ্যা বলছেন
You are offending religion.
সহ্য করতে হবে
It's a dangerous
Because
precedent.
this is free speech.
If we will allow this, tomorrow somebody
I have
will read
proven
what they have written about
that
Prophet
one
Muhammad
aspect.
or with
आज
Virgin Mary.
मुझसे कहा जा रहा है
Shall we
prove
allow
करो।
this? Shall we allow this then? Every religious leader or deity has been derogatorily referred
Let
to
me know.
as some people, some organizations, some atheists. Shall we allow reading all of that? You will have a war in this house then. This is highly objectionable.
These
This we
books
cannot
are-
accept even.
You see,
मुझसे पूछा जा रहा है प्रमाण करो
ये क्या हो रहा है ये?
These books
कल तो
are
सब लोग पढ़ेंगे।
commissioned by the
तुमने
previous
दूसरों के बारे में
government.
क्या क्या सब पढ़ा जाएगा? क्यों
Commissioned by
करते हो
the
ये काम?
previous government, sir. My predecessor,
हाँ, हो रहा
what does
है।
he commission?
yes.
What does he
What does he
commission? I will
commission?
read it, I will read it again.
सर ये
These
सुनना
are
नहीं
books.
चाहते ये केवल सुनाना
These
जानते हैं
are
सुनना नहीं
books. What
जानते
are they
अब अपना
commissioning?
फिर भूल जाइए।
अब सुनिए ना
कल से यही होगा किसने क्या किस भगवान के बारे में कहा, किसने क्या किस देवता के बारे में कहा।
आपने तो सुनाया
क्या
है,
चाहते हैं आप?
आपको बताइए
झगड़ा।
Shivaji, we feel a sense of guilt. When we teach about Shivaji, we feel a sense of guilt. It says,
See,
it also says
now please, sit down.
that
Now, please, now, yes,
these
sit
are
down,
books
sit down.
not commissioned by me.
Now, please, Honorable Minister.
These are books sanctioned
see,
on the 3rd of February or 2011,
Honorable Minister,
sir.
Honorable Minister, first you say what you are reading from, where are you reading from, and then you have to authenticate it also. If you read it. Eh?
I have just shown the document of
Yeah.
authentication.
And say where are you reading from. Yeah.
They stamp document.
You only authenticate it.
I know they are unpublished.
Say where are you
Ask
quoting
anybody,
from
it would be
and
unpublished,
authenticate
but
it.
I've just proven with stamps on it.
No, see,
Let
you
me say this, sir, on the 3rd of February
you only say,
2011,
no, please.
books are commissioned
Now,
for 75 schools
you,
in Maharashtra.
Honorable Minister,
And
no, please.
I authenticated
No,
not
you-
I read from the text.
you
and if
no.
you like, I'll lay it on
Yes,
the table of the
first
house.
say where are you,
Table of the house.
where are you quoting from?
Sir.
Second, you authenticate it. Both you have to do.
Sir, this is authenticated by the university.
Okay,
This is authenticated.
that's okay, let it go.
Yes, I'm
पढ़े थे,
authenticating
क्या
all
आपको
the
authenticate
university
कराया गया
documents
क्या?
I have got.
जो डॉक्यूमेंट इन्होंने पढ़े थे चाहे सीताराम येचुरी जी रहे
Sir,
चाहे
none
आनंद
of
शर्मा
them
नीची रहे
authenticated
अगर
any
वो
document I'm authenticating
तो
this
कैसे ये
document.
Okay,
Yes,
क्या
sir.
आपने जो पढ़ाया
The
है
books that they
certificate दिया
commissioned in
नहीं दिया
Maharashtra.
proceed,
फिर
proceed.
इस तरह से
About
आप
Shivaji,
बहस
we feel a sense of guilt. For we are teaching about Shivaji.
Let this house listen. Tomorrow, if members and ministers bring in any derogatory reference to one prophet, one God, Christ and others, what are we using this house to?
Sir,
Somebody has said it. You start saying it. We cannot accept. Respect this book. Respect this book. This is the religion. We cannot.
आपने authenticate किया है क्या?
let me
We will not
authenticate
accept
the document.
डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाए हैं वो authenticate किया है क्या? ये सारे इन्होंने authenticate नहीं किया है तो आप ये इनको कोई अधिकार नहीं है कि वो मिनिस्टर से कहेगा authenticate करो।
This we will not accept.
वो सच है कि गलत है इन्होंने कहा है कि पहले ये वो सारे डॉक्यूमेंट ले करके authenticate करें उसके बाद बात होगी। नोटिस इन्होंने कोई भी सब डॉक्यूमेंट authenticate नहीं किया। आपने अगर नहीं किया तो आपको अधिकार नहीं है कि आप सुनना नहीं चाह रहे हैं। दरअसल आप सुन नहीं पा रहे हैं। सच्चाई आप सुनना नहीं चाहते। आप सच्चाई आपको हजम नहीं हो रही है। सच्चाई सुनना पड़ेगा आपको। आपको सच्चाई सुनना पड़ेगा।
पहली बार मैंने
Please don't read it. No. What are we doing?
सारे सरकारी दफ्तर तो बैठे ये सोच करनी होती है हमको। This is the truth amendment you। ये सत्य है, सत्य करनी होती है, सत्य करनी होती है आपको।
Commission report by Congress Party about Shivaji. About Shivaji, the commission राहुल गांधी देवी देवताओं का अपमान करने गए थे जेएनयू। जब उन्होंने कहा बीच में इसको भी डालो, उनसे पूछिए दुर्गा को क्या उन्होंने कहने का समर्थन किया। हनुमंतराव जी, उनसे पूछिए राहुल गांधी जी की ऐसी क्या पॉलिटिकल नीड थी हनुमान जी कि माँ दुर्गा का इस प्रकार से अपमान उन्होंने सहन किया, समर्थन किया। हनुमान जी
She has authenticated what he said. She has authenticated and what